Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Topstep on TradingView using the 2026 Tradivate integration, which is currently the most efficient way to link your funded account. Let's get into it. First, open the brokerage selection. To get started, we need to access the menu where TradingView connects to external funding accounts. Look at the top right corner of your chart and click the Trade button. This will pull up the trading panel, displaying all the brokers that have a direct integration with the platform. Next, search for the broker. You might naturally try to look for the funding company directly, but you'll notice a common roadblock. In the search bar of the trading panel, type in Topstep. You'll see that Topstep does not appear. This is because Topstep is a funding program, not a direct brokerage. TradingView doesn't support Topstep as a native connection point. Clear your search and type in Tradivate instead. When it appears, hover over the icon and click Connect. So why are we using Tradivate? Tradivate acts as the bridge or the engine for Topstep. Since Topstep uses Tradivate's technology to track your trades and risk, connecting your Tradivate credentials automatically pulls your Topstep funded accounts into TradingView. Once the Tradivate login window pops up, ensure you select Demo Mode, which is required for Topstep evaluations. Enter the username and password provided to you by Topstep. After clicking Connect, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see your Topstep account balance and positions synced perfectly with your TradingView chart. And that's pretty much it. To trade Topstep in 2026, click the Trade button, skip the search for Topstep, and select Tradivate as your broker. By logging in with your Topstep credentials under the Demo tab, you can execute trades on the best charting platform while staying fully compliant with your funding rules. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.